Hi everyone. So as you all know me, I'm a makeup brushes and I'm so dirty right now, too dirty with makeups, concealer, foundation and all. So I need to clean up. So let's see how my owners cleans me. So first she gonna take a jar like this and warm water fill in it, and after that taking a hydrogen peroxide and pour into the warm water. And after that, she's taking some shampoo and pour it into the warm water with the hydrogen peroxide and mixing it until the warm water gets bubble in it up. So it's the easiest way or easiest method to clean makeup brushes, and it's so fast. You can get anywhere shampoo and hydrogen peroxide in your general store, in your medicals near your. So now it's time for bath. So I'm gonna go into the jar and wait for 2 hours. Then she will come, then give me a nice shower. Oh, now look at my water. It's so dirty right now, as you can see all over the foundation. Now she's gonna take some shampoo on her hands for foundation brush and just clean me up like this, rubbing it on her hands or fingers. It's the easiest way. You don't need any tools to clean me up. It's just simple as your hands. And after that, it's time for a tap shower. So I'm showering very well, and just you can look at her hands. It's so nice and I'm clean, and as me other brushes are also clean it up. So that's it. Now it's time for a towel dry, just like this. I'm drying right now, and I will wait for 2 to 3 hours and until I dry, and just I'm clean. So now look at me, I'm happy, clean and antibacterial. So don't forget to clean me every week and I will be happy, and your skin will also.